Most people get this wrong when they see payment proof online. They assume that if someone got paid once, the platform must be amazing. But that's not always how GPT sites work. Here's the truth no one tells you. A single payment proof does not prove high earnings. It only proves that the platform paid at least once, not how fast, how often, or how much you can realistically earn. In this video, you'll see a full updated breakdown of SuperpayMe, how it works in 2026, whether the $100 payment proof is realistic for regular users, and whether this platform is actually worth your time, or just another low-paying GPT site. Let's get into it. SuperpayMe is a get-paid-to platform where users complete small online tasks for rewards. These tasks usually include surveys, offer walls, app installs, and signing up for third-party services. You earn money for each completed task, and once you hit the minimum threshold, you can withdraw your earnings. Now here's where it gets interesting. SuperpayMe has been around for a while compared to many newer GPT sites. That alone gives it some credibility. But longevity does not automatically mean high income potential. When you first log in, the dashboard looks simple. Someone like Alex or Jake can immediately see multiple offer walls and surveys. It feels like there is always something to do, which is a good sign for consistency. But here's the problem. Not all tasks are equal. Some pay extremely low amounts, while others require long signups, credit card trials, or third-party subscriptions. That's where most beginners get confused. They think every task is free money, but in reality, the effort to reward ratio varies a lot. Now let's talk about the $100 payment proof you may have seen. Yes, SuperpayMe does pay users. There are real withdrawals, and some users do reach $100 or more. But here is what most videos don't explain. Those payouts usually come from high-activity users who complete a large number of offers over time, or who focus on high-value tasks consistently. For a casual user, the experience is very different. Most beginners will see small earnings per task, often cents to a few dollars. That means reaching $100 takes time unless you are very active or very selective with high-paying offers. Now here's where it gets important. Withdrawals on SuperpayMe are generally flexible. Users can cash out through multiple methods depending on region, including PayPal and gift cards. The platform does process payments, but minimum withdrawal thresholds and processing times may vary. During testing, one clear advantage stood out. SuperpayMe has a large number of offer partners. That means more opportunities compared to smaller GPT sites. But at the same time, the quality of offers is inconsistent. Some are great, others are time-consuming and not worth the payout. Let's break it down simply. Think of someone like John trying to earn extra money after work. He logs in, completes a few surveys, maybe installs an app, and earns a small amount. Over time it adds up, but it is not fast income. So is SuperpayMe legit? Yes, it appears to be a real GPT platform that does pay users. But is it a high-income opportunity? No, not for most people. The pros are clear. It has been around for years, it offers multiple earning methods, and it does process withdrawals. The cons are also clear. Low earnings per task, inconsistent high-value offers, and time investment is often higher than expected. So here's the final conclusion. SuperpayMe is best used as a small side income tool, not a primary earning method. If you treat it like a casual task app, it can be useful. If you expect fast or large income, you will likely be disappointed. The smart approach is to combine it with other GPT platforms instead of relying on it alone. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want, I can show you the highest paying GPT sites that actually outperform SuperpayMe in 2026.